Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming which Office edition you bought and which Microsoft account it should link to. This matters because activation ties license to account. Once done, make sure your 25-character product key and a stable internet connection are available, then close all Office apps to avoid conflicts. Open Word or Excel and sign in with the target Microsoft account. This first actionable step initiates verification, so the product can be matched and prepared for the next activation stage. You now enter the product key directly through File Account, Activate Product, or Change Product Key. Type carefully since similar characters often cause errors. After entering the key, click Activate and allow the app to contact Microsoft servers. This verifies the key and assigns the license. If prompted, sign in again to confirm the account and accept any license terms. Make sure auto-update is enabled so activation receives necessary validation files. This completes the core verification and associates the license to your account. Finish by checking File Account for a clear product activated message. If you see it, you're done and can use all features. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter built into Office, try signing out and back in, or use the phone activation option to complete validation. These steps resolve most issues. Keep your proof of purchase and the product key in a safe place so you can restore or transfer the license later. And contact support only if these methods don't succeed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.